Welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars, and today we're going to look at the history of Hot Wheels. Well, we're going to go all the way back to where it all began and look at the year of 1968 in Hot Wheels history. Now, if you're watching this in February of 2021, we have a Hot Wheels giveaway going on right now. You can win 20 Hot Wheels. Just be sure to watch the end of this video and I'll give you instructions on how you can do that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and let's talk about the history of Hot Wheels. The Hot Wheels story starts back in 1968 with a man by the name of Elliott Handler. Elliott may not be a household name, but the company he co-founded sure is Mattel. Yep, that Mattel. The story goes that Elliott was watching his son play with Matchbox cars and decided they needed to create a competing line. He was very excited about the idea, even though his wife and the Mattel directors were not as enthusiastic about it. Elliott didn't just want to make another line of toy cars. His vision for Hot Wheels was to take a collection of hot rods, right? Cars that were customized and modified, and even outrageous fantasy cars that were more like caricatures of existing cars. He wanted them to have big rear tires and superchargers and flames, crazy proportions, hood blowers, and any other insane modification he could think of. Where Matchbox cars were small-scale models made with precision to resemble production cars, Hot Wheels would be the fun, free-spirited line of toy cars that could think outside the box. See what I did there? Enlisting the help of fellow engineer Jack Ryan. I know, right? That's exactly where my head went, but not that Jack Ryan. This Jack Ryan worked for Mattel for 20 years, becoming the company's vice president of research and development. I guess his only claim to the entertainment industry is he was the sixth husband of Zsa Zsa Gabor. So you got that. Now, quickly progressing from concept to reality, the first 16 Hot Wheels castings were released in May 18th of 1968. These are known as the Sweet 16. 11 of these castings were designed by Harry Bentley Bradley. Harry worked for GM, where he liked to break the rules by publishing designs for Hot Rod and Custom Magazine. It was against GM's policies to do so. He went on to design the 1964 Dodge Alexa, the custom Fleetside, and the 1967 Dodge Deora. Now, after 4 years at GM, Harry left for Mattel, and on a funny note, he didn't think Hot Wheels was going to be successful, so he actually left after a year, started his own company and started teaching at the Art Center College of Design in Los Angeles. So the Sweet 16 were the first Hot Wheels, and the first Hot Wheels considered the Red Line series. They were named this for the red pinstripe on the tires. Now, in 1968, you could purchase a Hot Wheels car for only 59 cents, and your options were the Beatnik Bandit, custom Barracuda, custom Camaro, custom Corvette, custom Cougar, custom Eldorado, custom Firebird, custom Fleetside, custom Mustang, custom T-Bird, custom Volkswagen, Deora, complete with surfboards, Ford J-Car, Hot Heap, Python, and the Silhouette. Now, sold separately from the Sweet 16, you could get a Hot Wheels racetrack. Now, the first Hot Wheels racetrack, this had orange and red sections that when you put them together, it made like an oblong circular track. It included was one or sometimes two superchargers, and those superchargers were battery-powered spinning wheels, and they would launch the cars down the racetrack. Probably needed two of those. Harry may have doubted Hot Wheels, but the market sure didn't. They loved the cars, and they became the phenomenon that we know today. From watching his child play with a competitor's toy to creating a line of cars that generated over $925 million last year. What a concept, what an idea, and what a great toy line. I love Hot Wheels. Got them on the wall back there. I've got tons more in the closet. And I love talking about Hot Wheels, so we'll do that more. If you enjoyed this show, be sure to leave me a comment. If this is February of 2021, hang on for just a second because I'm going to tell you how you can win 20 Hot Wheels. Otherwise, remember to like, comment, and share. Share us with your friends. Leave us a comment on a show you'd like to see. Let's talk about cars tomorrow. Now, if you're wanting to win these 20 Hot Wheels, this is pretty easy. Easy contest. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and then send me an email. Go to CoryTurnerTalks.com, click on Contact Me. Also, it'll say like a contest entry. Fill out your information. In the message, put 20 Hot Wheels, and you are entered. So just subscribe Send that contact email through my website and you are entered to win. The drawing ends February 28th at midnight. You can also check out our website, CoryTurnerTalks.com, for more information, policies, and rules. Thank you again for watching. Let's talk about cars tomorrow.